Michelle with Pink and Main, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our December Crafty Courtyard box. The theme is Winter Wonderland, and I just love the colors this month. We've got pinks and teals, purple, lavender, silver, and on the back of the postcard that you get, it's going to tell a little bit about the box, what you get inside. It has our color scheme. Here is the cardstock sheets that you get. You're going to get 2 of our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. We've got a pretty greenish teal, a gray, a purple, lavender, pink, and then you're going to get 2 half sheets of our sparkle sheets, one in silver. Oh my gosh, you've got to see the sparkle in person, and one in teal, and they're just gorgeous. They add perfect amount of sparkle and shine to your projects. As always, you're going to get an 8.5 by 11 project bag. These are nice sturdy mesh zippered bags. We'll jump right in with the goodies that are in the bag and the embellishments. You're going to get a full package of silver and white sparkly glitter foam snowflakes. And these are self-adhesive, so they're gonna be real easy to stick down on your projects. And there's a bunch of them in here. You can create so many things with those. We've got some really pretty purple and pink glitter buttons. Check out this tape. It's holographic and it's so pretty. We have 3 yards each of teal twine and white and teal striped twine there. We have an exclusive sequin mix. Look at all those gorgeous sequins, and the colors match perfectly. We're not going to forget about our 1-inch flare button or badge. We'll collect these each month. So fun. We've also got a package chock full of these beautiful crystal rhinestones. They're iridescent and sparkly, and I think you'll want to glue them onto everything. We have a 6x6 paper pad called Winter Wonderland, and it's full of gorgeous patterns in these beautiful colors. And there's some with snowflakes in here specifically for winter, but there's also plenty of patterns in here that you can use year-round. As always, you're going to get 4 white ice rink envelopes. This month we have an exclusive die for you, and this die says Warm Wishes. And last but not least, we have our exclusive 6x6 stamp set, which includes a really nice snowflake frame that's A2 in size, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We have some extra snowflakes that you can stamp by themselves. We've got Warm Winter Wishes, Your Kindness Warms My Heart, Snow One Like You, and Love You Snow Much. I wanted to go through a few cards that I created, and we have a video where I walk you through how I created these cards. So here I've used the die Warm Wishes along with the stamp set. Here's another one. I used some of that gorgeous holographic tape on this to create a striped background. Here's a card using some of the papers from the paper pad and some of those really pretty sparkly buttons. I did some ink blending and embossed resist technique on this card. Here's another Warm Wishes. I went a little crazy. I had so much fun with this kit. The colors and everything just worked so well together. I created a big shaker card with this and stamped on the acetate. This one has some fun dimension. I used those snowflake foam stickers to create a background. It's a lot of fun. And this last one here, another Warm Wishes, where I've embossed the stamp set. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of our December Crafty Courtyard box. You want to head on over to pinkandmain.com and grab one for yourself before they're all gone. And until next time, keep living the creative life.